Hello everyone, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this Master Document Automation training series, let's learn what is exactly learning instance and how we can create a learning instance in Automation Anywhere. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. So let's understand what exactly we covered till here. The first thing is we covered how we can create a document Copilot form to get a document from the user in the starting section. And after that, we completed pre-process your document using pre-process technology to enhance your images or PDFs. Then we classified that particular document whenever you have a different document types in the input folders, right? And also we have added in the previous session how we can auto heal that classification model. Then whenever it is require a human review, we have implemented a human review inside the Copilot. And now we have to jump into extraction process. This is very important process for document automation. Whenever you have a document, you want to extract something from the document, then how you will extract from the bot with certain rule, right? Example, you have a invoice. From the invoice, you need to extract invoice number, invoice date, or the total amount. But for the banking statement, it totally differs, right? For the banking statement, you may extract account number, account statement period, or maybe a balance, right? So like this, we have a different concept for different types of document. How your bot will route, right, into different learning instance automatically. We will not create a separate bot for this separate learning instance. Definitely, some of the developers are doing that. Once the learning instance is created for the invoice, they will create only the invoice bot. The user has to upload only the invoice in that invoiced bot, right? So now what we are learning is dynamically your bot will consider which learning instance it has to choose for your document. We will learn this step by step. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Without wasting the time, let's dive inside the Automation Anywhere control room. To create a learning instance in Automation Anywhere, you must have document automation license first. So after that, you have to navigate to AI section in the left hand side. Then you can click on document automation field. Inside the document automation field, you will see the dashboard of the learning instance, which is created already for the previous projects. So now let's go and create a fresh learning instance by clicking over create learning instance. So here you have to give a name of the learning instance. To give a name of the learning instance, I would suggest go with the standard format, whatever you have given for manual review or folder structure. Because if you're giving a same name, then it is very easy to route your bot into different learning instance dynamically. So example here, we are using 4 different types: banking statement, credit memo, invoice, and unclassified. Same name I will use it for creating a learning instance. First, we will take a invoice. Okay, let me just copy this and go back to the learning instance and take it as an invoice. And you can give a description also. This is for invoice extraction R&D. And here the document types are very important. We call it as unstructured document and structured document or predefined document types. Already Automation Anywhere is built couple of document types which is globally using in the different companies. So example, invoice, bill of lading, arrival notice, standard form, right? These are all the predefined model Automation Anywhere is already created. Now we are utilizing the same invoice, right? So we need a invoice number or invoice details, which is already created. So that's why I'm choosing invoice. This we call it as predefined document type. So after that, you have to choose which language you want to utilize. Example, English, Dutch, French, German. Based on your document language type, you can choose. So currently we are utilizing the English, so that's why I'm taking English, and the local language as it is I'm taking United States. And here we have a two different providers to extract the detail. One is Automation Anywhere pre-trained model, which is created by Automation Anywhere, and another one is Google Document AI. Both are very good in terms of extracting the data or handling the data. I will go with Automation Anywhere pre-trained model, but you can do the R&D with Google Document AI also. So now coming into the OCR provider, optical character recognition is very important for every model. Model will not extract anything from the document. Your OCR providers will extract the information, then it will pass into your model. So that's why this is also very important. So here we have a three different providers. One is the Abby, Google Vision, and digital PDF extractor supported by Automation Anywhere. All these three are best, so you can choose any of one. So I am taking the Abby for this demo, but you can choose Google Vision or digital PDF extractor. Which one is better for your process, you can choose it. Let me take a Abby. And now here the two different things are there. Improve the accuracy using validation. So example, you have to use a validation formats like the number, so that you can give a feedback to the model. This is pre-trained model, right? So that's why you can give a feedback, so that how we have utilized our auto heal technology in the document automation, right? Document classifier, right? The same way here in the back end, it will consider your feedback and it will utilize for the next one. And we have a Gen AI technology data extraction. This also we will see in the later classes how we can create and all. So now once it is created, just click on next. As this is pre-trained model, right? So this type of model is having already pre-built values. Example, invoice number, invoice date, PO number, receiver address. So like this, we have a values. And you can choose which one is better for you, or you can add it also. So example, you don't need a PO number from your invoice. You can always remove, or you don't need a ship to address total amount, then you can remove it. So only I need invoice number, invoice date, PO number, receiver address. That's it. Keep it as it is. And we have another option called table field. Here you can extract the tabular information. Example, your invoice is having some table. Then you can utilize this table field extraction. Example, let's go to our folder structure. In the folder, we have a input. Let me consider the first input. This is banking statement. Let's go with the invoice. Yeah. So example, this is the invoice. So in this invoice, we have couple of information, right? So example, we have a bill to address, purchase order, PO number, and we have a ship to address, and also some table information. In the table, we have a quantity, item, and item number, unit price, and total. So if you go back and see in the Automation Anywhere Learning instance, here also we have description, quantity. Example, description. Do we have a description here? Yes, we have a description, item description, right? So that's why this is required. And the same way the quantity we have, right? And unit price, if you go and see here, unit price we have, total and item number we have, total we have, right? So all these are, we are having in the invoice, so that we can keep it as it is. And one more information we need, unit price, right? That is not available here. Oh, okay, this is there. So let me check. Okay, item number. So this is not in the tabular information. Let me add it. Like this, you can add your item number. So let me take it as item underscore number. The same thing. Here the field label. Basically the field label is item number. Sorry, field label is whatever you want to get it in the CSV file or your JSON format at the output. So now I'm taking item number as it is, and the confidence. See, now two ways we can handle your Automation Anywhere Learning instance. One is the confidence level and another one is Gen AI extraction. We will see later in the session how we can utilize Gen AI and how we can utilize the confidence level. Both we will see in the later in the session. So if you are having any question, please let me know in the comment section of this video. I will try to help you guys with the answer. So once after all these fields are set, just create it so that your bot will create a learning instance quickly inside your automation anywhere control room. We will see in the next session how we can enhance this invoice learning instance and also other way of creating a learning instance or handling the learning instance inside the learning instance model. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get a first notification to you. Happy learning. Go be great.